LKG, UKG. When they are newborn children, when they got chance to travel as a student, I think they have traveled 3 great academic years with the help of great hard work, wonderful commitment and dedication. Yes. Now this curriculum providing them wonderful promotion. I hope absolutely their career is going to be designed in proper way. Now they are having each of title the span of 1 month. They are going to place it in first standard. I request all my beloved parents on behalf of my JGHS organization, we extend our warm thanks for your outstanding support. Please do extend like this one. Definitely we are going to give the best designing personality, whatever the hope, whatever the aspiration you people are keeping on your head. We are here to promise you, definitely we make them grand success in all categories, in all corners, along with wonderful education. I request Mr. Hazur Vedagya, please come on the dais now.
Oh, congrats.
Stand that side, near Tanvi. Congratulations. Rajini, please announce one by one name, I will extend congrats. Hazur Vedak, I extend my sincere congratulations to her beloved, his beloved mother and father Anunya and Rakesh. Sri Tanvi, congratulations to Sri Tanvi parents, mother and father. Nehan Patel, I extend my warm congratulations to Nehan Patel, mother and father. Reyansh, your name is somewhat strange. Absolutely, it is going to be memory forever. I extend my warm congratulations to Reyansh, mother and father. Ranveer Naik. I extend my warm thanks to Ranveer Naik, beloved mother and father. Sharvi. We extend our warm congratulations to Sharvi, mother and father. Lokesh. We here to extend our concern to both the mother and father of Lokesh. Achyut Munna. That is somewhat different name. We say our sincere thanks to beloved parents of Achyut Munna. Rishika, absolutely. Yeah. Which one are your name? Both. Rishika, congratulations to our beloved mother and father. Shanaya. Wow, somewhat different name, Bollywood name. Congratulations to your Ramana Nana. Nibida Nandana. What a wonderful titles my parents are giving to their beloved children. Every name is somewhat strange. Every name is somewhat different. That much concentration you are giving to our children. Definitely God will definitely shower His benedictions on your beloved kids. Whatever the love and concern you are showing, definitely we can expect like that. Chaitra. Yeah, extend. Congratulations to Chaitra, mother and father. Ashrit. We extend our concern to Ashrit, the beloved mother and father. Lakshana. Wow, Lakshana is a good title. Discipline. Life is grown when it is discipline. We extend our sincere congratulations to Lakshana's mother and father. Yeah. On behalf of JGHS organization, we sincerely extend our thanks to nursery to UKG, beloved main pillars of this organization. Yeah, definitely let us join hands together to make them colorful life, whatever the way you are rendering, because now better I am watching what care you people are taking at home, designing your children in fine manner based on our curriculum. Every time we are watching in groups your children activity, please do extend like that one. That is going to be great memory in coming days. భవిష్యత్తులో ఒక మంచి జ్ఞాపకంగా ఉండిపోతుంది పిల్లలకి ఆఫ్టర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఏ ప్రాపర్ స్టేజ్ అండి. ఒకేసారి ప్లీజ్ క్లాప్స్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. Say thank you, and all of you say thank you, UKG graduates.
Say thank you.
Lovely. Which class now you are going to? Which class? Lovely. Which class? Now so far, which class you have completed? Oh, UKG, yeah? Yeah, tomorrow onwards you are going to which class? All of first class, huh? Or going to LKG nursery? Yeah, this is your promotion. The dress code absolutely. It symbols your civilization regarding education. I hope definitely Sincerely, God definitely will extend His outstanding benedictions on you as well as your beloved mother and father. Moreover, I extend my sincere thanks to my teaching family because of their wonderful concern each and every time they are giving update nursery to UKG. I sincerely say my thanks. Please do extend your services like that one. Definitely, God is a witness for your service. Definitely, you will be blessed with a wonderful time. Please, thank you so much. Once again, hearty congratulations to all beloved mother and father of these categories.